Hi, Max. So I want to take you to, I'm doing this short little video to show you about Geogebra. So the message that you saw on the course homepage was related to, yes, instructions to download Geogebra on a Mac computer. The reason I submitted those is because there's maybe 4 students in our course that have Mac computers. For those who are using PCs or Chromebooks, which make up the other percentage of the class, I did a step-by-step instruction on how to download GeoGebra in class. Your attendance is very irregular. I actually hardly ever see you present in the mornings. Reason why you're marked absent every day. I'm hoping I see that you are submitting assignments and doing your work, which is great. Explain this to mom. But the reason you missed all that and you seem a little bit confused is because you're not in attendance in the morning lecture, so you missed the instructions for that. Um, Morning lectures are from 8:05 to 9:20 a.m. and then again from 10:40 for the afternoon lecture till 11:45 p.m. a.m. Um, in between those are the independent work periods where you can come to the extras help sessions that are also available. But other than that, if you don't need the extra help or you don't have any questions or you don't need any content clarified, then you can go on and do your work independently. Um, what I'm going to show you is for PC users. So if you go to the course content page and we go to the unit where you were asked to download GeoGebra, so it's Unit 6, and then it was, I believe, activity um, activity 4 at the center of it all. What I did for the class, and I explained this, I don't know if you had a chance to see this, is I added a video. So now when you go into the course and you click on the video, it gives you instructions about GeoGebra. The instructions here have to do with Geometra's Sketchpad. And using Geometra's Sketchpad, you can use it on a Mac, but on a PC, which is what I'm using it on. That's great if you download it, and there's tons of download tutorials, but otherwise you just go to Geometra's Sketchpad. And I explained to the class, let me show you how to do that. So you go into the course homepage for yourself. I mean, I'll show you both ways to do it. If you want to download Geometers, this is what I told the class, the ones who have PCs and are able to use it. You go to matthews.ca here on the homepage. So we did that as a class. And then once you go to matthews.ca, you go to, you go to Learning Tools. Okay, so under Learning Tools, you will see, scroll down, you'll see Geometer Sketchpad. Once you click on it, you click on Start, and then it'll ask you instructions for Windows or for Mac. In your case, you are going to click Windows, given that you have a Windows computer, but these are just the instructions. These are the PDF. You actually don't even need that. You need to download the correct version, so you just click here to download it, and then you would scroll down. It shows what license to review the download. You accept it. Then you go to Windows Installer, because it only allows Windows and Mac. And then once it's installed, you wait for the little icon to open up, the zip file. Anyways, I have it installed already. That's probably why it's taking so long. But once you have it installed, you can go to Downloads, and I'll show you what you will get here. This isn't the file, I'm sorry. Give me a second. It's just installing it again. Anyways, I know you're tech savvy. Oh, it's opening it up now. There you go. So you close this one, and then you go install Sketchpad. And I know you know how to do this. Mom says you're very tech savvy. And then it'll ask you to allow this change. You have to click yes, otherwise it'll take you back. And then you go next, you agree. Now here, where it says register a license, you're not registering a license, you're just installing. So you go next, install, and it installs it into your computer. And then you can finish it. And now it'll open up the application for you. Here we go. Oops, let's close this. It'll open up the application. You'll see the little icon at the bottom here. You have to click preview because you didn't purchase a license, so we're just previewing. And then you're able to do whatever you want with it and follow the instructions. So now once you're here, it's downloaded. You'll see the little icon on the bottom of your screen. Now you can go back to the lesson. So once we go back to the lesson, well, we have to go to home page now. Again, go to content, the lesson. So that's how to do it using Geometra's Sketchpad. And then you'll be able to view all the interactives that you need. Like I said, I went through this as a class. Otherwise, you can just use Geogebra. Geogebra is free and it works on PC as well. You have either or. The instructional videos that I used with Geogebra are these ones. So that's why I posted these for the students, the videos. Oh, I went to the wrong one. That was Unit 3, or Activity 3, I apologize. Here we go. Oh no, at the center of it all, so Activity 4. And then you'll see there's videos. You can also watch these videos. This shows you how to find the ortho center. And then if you scroll down, there's a video how to find the in-center and then the circumcenter using Geogebra. I added those for the students who have Chromebooks, which the majority of the class does. And yeah, they're able to watch the videos and follow along because if you have geometers, the instructions on what to do are given in the lesson. If you don't have geometers, then the instructions using Geogebra are given in the video. Either way, you have two options. You can download Geometry Sketchpad or you can download Geogebra. I don't know whether you need instructions on how to do Geogebra, but I will show you. Downloading Geogebra. Let's just say download. It takes you to the page anyways. You go to here, Apps Download Geogebra, and you click on Geometry. And it's a free app. It automatically downloads to your computer. You don't have to do anything else. It should open up in a few seconds. I'm doing this from home, so unfortunately, it's a little bit slower than at school. But you execute it, and then once it opens up, that's it. You can just start doing geometry on it. So here you go, app download, and then anyways, once you download it, you're able to use it and start using it right away. I don't even think you necessarily need to download it. You can actually, I think I used it without downloading it this morning. Oh, here we go. So you just go into Geogebra. If you don't want to download it to your computer, you don't have to either. You just go here, you click Geometry, and it takes you directly to the page. And then you can just start working with it. And you can follow the instructions on the videos in the course content in order to help you do that. Well, I downloaded it, so now it's opening up a new window for me. I hope this clarifies what you need to do. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me.